Hello friends, this is Ravi here, and today in this video we're going to discuss that how to hide displaying a date and a time on your taskbar. Right, it's very simple. Simply click on the date and time and just go to settings and go to a taskbar settings, and there you can access a screen. From this screen you just scroll down and there is an option called as the notification area. In the notification area there is totally two options. Select which icons appear in the taskbar, or just go to the second option, turn on system icon on or off. Just simply go to this option, turn on system icons on or off, and there you can find out the list of system icons that are displaying presently. So simply the next to clock sign there is an option called as on and off, so simply click on this button. So now this time it is showing 5:30, right? If you once click on this function, automatically the time will get disappeared. That's it, you are done. Thank you. And if you want to re-enable the same, just come back to the same location and simply turn the button on. That's it, then you can access it back. Thank you.